Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Pledge means an oath to fulfill our duties. So let's take a oath with Yamuna Bathul. Yes, my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Treat our dear. I shall always give parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, I pledge my devotion. In there will began and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Music and colors to life. An assembly is incomplete without a school song. Let's hear our school song by Diya Fatima.
आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मे की सूरज हो खुदाया मेरी। लब्बे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, दूर दुनिया का मेरे टम से अंधेरा हो जाए, हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए। हो मेरे टम से हुई ने में इतंदी सीनत, जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमक की सीनत। लब्बे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी।
Good and inspiring thought can spice our day. Reading new thought in the morning works like fuel which keep us smiling and encouraging. So to inspire with good thought, here come Tanha Sheikh. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. I repeat, all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. APJ Abdul Kalam, thank you. Updating ourselves every day is good and never-ending habits. We should always have these types of habits which show our awareness towards our society and nation. I call upon Nana Neeraj Tiwari for Indian and international news.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's news segment. I am Nana Tiwari. Let us start our day with news which caught the world's attention this week. The world's first COVID vaccine has been launched by Russia. Saudi Arabia has collaborated with China for the clinical trials of COVID vaccine CanSino. The first batch of 5 Rafale jets have been delivered to India by France in the last week of July. They are going to give a massive boost to the Indian Air Force. The Saudi Ministry of Education has approved e-learning standards to promote virtual learning effectively and efficiently. Indians all over the world are celebrating 74th Independence Day today. Many cultural and musical events will be held virtually to commemorate this day. In view of the ongoing pandemic, a limited number of police personnel have been kept in isolation in New Delhi. They are going to take part in the flag hoisting ceremony in the capital. That's all for today. Have a nice day.
Freedom and power bring responsibility, said Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On this day, our first thought goes to the architect of this freedom, the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who embodying the old spirit of India, held aloft the torch of freedom and lighted up the darkness that surrounded us. I take this immense pleasure to welcome some great freedom fighters on this special occasion. Let us invite Diya Zarar as Mahatma Gandhi.
Raghupati Raghav Rajaram Padita Pavana Sitaram. Good morning to all. I like to wish you Happy Independence Day. I am Mahatma Gandhi. I was born on 2nd October in Porbandar. My parents are Karam Chandra Gandhi and Putli Pal. I fought for freedom of our country. I aimed at non-violence and truth. I took forward the freedom struggle, so the people call me Father of Nation. Happiness is what you say, what you think, what you do are in the harmony. Where is love, there is life. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Shri Manya Chintala as Jhansi ki Rani.
मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. Said by Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. Good morning, my dear teachers and my friends. My name is Shri Manya Chintala. I study in 3rd S. Today, on account of Independence Day, I am here to talk about a freedom fighter of India. She is Veer Nari, Manikarnika for India. Lakshmibai was a queen of a princely state of Jhansi. She was a major freedom fighter of India. She was born in Varanasi on November 19, 1828. She was named as Manikarnika. Later, at age of 13, she was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, Maharaja of Jhansi. Lakshmibai, along with the faithful warriors, fought fiercely against British, and she engaged herself in a bloody battle and protested against British until her last breath, and she fell as a warrior. Indian history has not yet witnessed a woman warrior as brave and powerful as Rani Jhansi Lakshmibai. She martyred herself in a struggle to attain Swaraj. Lakshmibai is a glorious example of patriotism and national pride. Her name is thus written in golden letters in the history of India and will always stay in the heart of every Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Nimmi Manu as Sarojini Naidu.
Hi everyone, I am Mimi from 3rd S. India is celebrating its 73rd Independence Day on 15th August. On this occasion, I am representing Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was one of the main leaders in India's freedom struggle. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father's name was Dr. Raghunath and mother's name was Varasundari. Sarojini had interest towards poetry from a very early age. Later on, she was known as the Nightingale of India. When India became free in 1947, she was appointed as the governor of the United Provinces. She died on 2nd March 1949. Thank you.
Dviti Sunil Patel as Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Singh was prominent freedom fighter. He often called Shahid Bhagat Singh. After he sacrificed his life for the nation, he gave slogan of Inqilab Zindabad, which gave new direction to the national movement against the British rule.
He sacrificed fueled India freedom movement, which ultimately made success in 1947. The life of Bhagat Singh remains as one of shining example of patriotism, commitment and sacrifice. Thank you. जय हिंद. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना अब बाजुए का कतिल में है. Thank you.
Today we remember great leader who gave their lives for the nation's freedom and prosperity. Now, I would like to call upon Jasmita Tiraki to deliver a speech on Independence Day in English.
Good morning everyone. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I am Jashmita. I would like to speak a few words about today's. India is a country of various religions, caste, culture and traditions. We are a country of unity in diversity. Independence Day brings all Indians together. After 200 years of British rules and slavery, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call upon Harshita Shukla for speech in Hindi.
सुप्रभात मेरी प्यारी टीचर और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। भारत में प्रतिवर्ष स्वतंत्रता दिवस 15 अगस्त को बहुत ही उत्साह और गौरव के साथ मनाया जाता है। 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आज़ादी मिली थी। तब से हमारे देश में 15 अगस्त को स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया जाता है। हमारे देश को स्वतंत्र बनाने के लिए महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लोकमान्य तिलक, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, भगत सिंह जैसे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को उनके संघर्ष के लिए आज के दिन उन्हें याद किया जाता है। इस दिन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किला पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज तिरंगा फहराते हैं। इसके साथ ही सारे स्कूल और कॉलेजों में तिरंगा फहराया जाता है और देशभक्त गीत गाए जाते हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत के लिए बहुत ही भाग्यशाली दिन था। इस दिन अंग्रेजों के लगभग 200 वर्ष गुलामी के पश्चात हमारा देश को आजादी मिली थी। इकबाल साहब जी ने कितनी सच्ची और प्यारी बात लिखी है। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुल हैं इसकी, यह गुलसिता हमारा। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of patriotic music that brings us all in our moment, that always getting emotions. I call upon Tani Tushar Padia, now Gauri Nanda Sajesh and Swati Gandhi.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to sing a patriotic song. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते में चलूंगा न डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के, मंजिल से पहले न लूंगा कहीं दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाएं बाएं थम। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। धूप में पसीना में बहाऊंगा जहाँ, हरे हरे खेत लहराएंगे वहाँ, धरती पे फाके ना पाएंगे जन्म, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाएं बाएं थम। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग, जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद, जय हिंद जय हिंद। बड़ा होके देश का सहारा बनूंगा, दुनिया की आंखों का तारा बनूंगा, रखूंगा ऊंचा तिरंगा परचम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाएं बाएं थम। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग, जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद, जय हिंद जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुरुस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुरुस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुरुस्तान हमारा है।
अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलदस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का, पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का। वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासवा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियां, गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियां। गुलशन है जिनके दम से, गुलशन है जिनके दम से, रश के जीना हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Let's call upon on Fatima Damdin for abbreviation.
There are thousands of abbreviations, but here I would like to present some abbreviations and its full form for your information. So let's start. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. HR, Human Resources. PC, Personal Computer. VIP, Very Important Person. www, World Wide Web.
Now, I call upon a class teacher Janu ma'am to speak few sentences about this day.
Good morning everyone. How are you all? Today we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of India. We all know that India got independence on 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. We all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of an independent India. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. Some of the great freedom fighters of India are Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhiji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad. They were famous patriots who struggled hard for the freedom of India till the end of their life. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of the tomorrow's India. We should sincerely perform our duty and do work hard to get the goal and successfully lead this democratic nation. India is our mother country and we are its citizens. Thank you.
A starting always has an end. Now we has also reached to the end of our assembly. Even though we are far away from our motherland, we honor the respect the country where we are residing to give respect to the country. I invite Hiran Mai Alindi, Huda Fatima, Isha Salwa Zubair and Taruba Aman.
سارهي للمجد والأولياء مجد لكانيك السماء وارفع الكفاك يحمل النور المسطى يددي الله أكبر يا مودني مودني هذا استفكر المسلمي حاشا الملي للعالم والوطن.
It is the time to utilize our 52 seconds for the national anthem. So let's stand all united for the Indian national anthem by Christy Mercy Jan, Fatima Naudin, Jisna Thomas, Muri Vishwa Viren Kumar, Husna Fatima Salim, Riya Jainab Katheria, Vidhi Nilesh Bhai Savani and Juheria Juha.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा राविल उखल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधिरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाई तब शुभ आशीष माये जाए तब जय दादा जन गण मंगल